If your agent used cell phone photos to list your home, you deserve better. Let's talk about why professional presentation makes a real difference. Hi, I'm Liz with Blue Lakes Real Estate Group, powered by Key Realty. Today, we're talking about one of the most overlooked reasons homes struggle to sell in Traverse City and the surrounding areas: poor listing presentation. Because here's the truth: your photos, videos, and online presence are the first showing. And when that first impression is bad, most buyers never bother to schedule a real one. Most buyers today don't start their search by calling an agent. They start by scrolling. That means your listing photos, videos, and description are doing the heavy lifting before anyone sets foot inside your home. If the photos are dark, the rooms look cluttered, or the listing just feels off, buyers aren't going to take a second look. They're going to assume something's wrong or that the home isn't worth their time. And when your home doesn't generate interest right away, it leads to a slower sale, weaker offers, or no showings at all. Worse, a low-quality listing sends a signal. If the presentation looks rushed or careless, buyers start to wonder if the home has been treated the same way. It plants doubt before they even see the place in person. A strong presentation isn't about making your home look fancy. It's about making it easier for buyers to imagine themselves living there. That starts with professional photography. Crisp, clean images taken with the right equipment and the right eye. No phone photos, not auto-adjusted filters. Real photos that reflect the space accurately and attractively. We also use a polished video walkthrough so buyers can understand the flow of the home, and drone footage when the exterior, lot, or neighborhood is a key selling point. The listing copy isn't just a list of features either. It's thoughtfully written to tell the story of the home, what makes it unique, why someone would love it, and what kind of lifestyle it offers. And before any of that is captured, we make sure the home is staged in a way that enhances the space. Sometimes that means rearranging furniture. Sometimes it's as simple as removing personal items or opening up natural light. The point is, nothing is random. Everything is done to help the buyer stop scrolling and say, "This one feels right." We've seen homes sit for months with no traction, all because the original listing didn't connect. And we've seen those same homes relisted properly with great visuals, clean staging, and sharper marketing. And suddenly, they're getting booked out with showings and receiving offers within days. A strong presentation doesn't just look nice. It directly impacts how many people click on your listing, how many showings get scheduled, and what kind of offers you receive. In many cases, it's the difference between one lowball offer and multiple buyers competing. In a competitive market, you can't afford to lose attention in the first few seconds. That attention is what gets people in the door, and being in the door is what leads to the sale. When a listing looks sloppy, it's not just a knock against the home. It's a reflection of how your sale is being managed. An agent who doesn't take the time to get professional photos, clean up the description, or stage the space properly isn't just cutting corners. They're signaling that your home isn't worth the effort. That's not a marketing strategy. It's a missed opportunity. And when the goal is to sell one of your largest financial assets, you deserve more than a rushed cell phone shoot and a hope it sells approach. You deserve an agent who treats your home like a product worth showcasing, someone who knows how to package it, promote it, and drive real demand. Great presentation isn't optional anymore. It's the standard for selling fast and selling well. So now you know what a strong listing should look like and why it matters. If your last home listing missed the mark, click the link to learn more about what a stronger strategy could look like. We'd love to connect with you.